What's up, guys? So today we're talking campfire cooking. We're going to be cooking a whole bunch of different campfire foods that are real easy, and we're going to show you all how to do it. So stay tuned.
Hey guys, so we have some special guests with us as we make some campfire foods. This is Kenny's mom, Diana. And what are we going to make today?
We are going to do some pizza in the camp cooker. You can use anything to make a campfire pizza. We use the pizza dough, and you're going to cut it out, just square little pieces. You can use bread, you can use flour tortillas, it's your choice. Get your cooker, and make sure you got a good spray on it. We use
So tell
butter.
us what these are.
These are called camper cookers. They're cast iron. You can get them at Walmart, Camping World.
What about Amazon? Can you get them on Amazon?
I think you can get them on Amazon. So you want to make sure you got a good dose on them, because you don't want your dough or your bread to stick to your cast iron.
That's enough.
I'm on the second one, dear. Okay, now try to cut it as close to the size of your camper. You're gonna lay your dough in, kind of stretch it out a little bit. You got a nice little dough on the bottom. Once you get your dough in your camp cooker, get some sauce, any type of sauce will do. Put it on your first layer, spread it around. Then, your pepperoni. And all this depends on how much you want on it or in it. Just layer it in. And then you take some cheese. We got fresh mozzarella. We're just going to spread it out in here. Then you take your second piece, stretch it out, and then you're going to hook it together, mash it any way you can hook it together. You mash it in there, seal it. That's what it's called, seal. You got to seal it so everything is together.
Man, I was hoping you'd miss that spot.
No. Once you get it sealed, you put down, and this is ready for camp, for the fire. The camp cooker on the fire. This doesn't take very long. Sun's in my eyes. Doesn't take very long to cook it. This is more a try and true testing. After a few minutes on one side, you're going to turn it over so the other side will cook. Our time's up, and this is what you get. Your pizza is cooked and ready to dump out onto a plate.
Alright, so me being the plain Jane guy that I am, I'm doing grilled cheese. You can do it with bread, or if you want to make it, what would you call it? Mexican style?
Yeah.
Quesadilla with tortilla. So anyhow, doing it in the little camp cookers, you're going to want to cut the crust off the bread, make it where it fits into the camp cooker real well. So we'll start out with that. Alright, so we put the bread in the camp cooker, and y'all didn't think I was that plain, did you? We have Gouda cheese, Kobe Jack cheese, and because they're making pizzas, we have mozzarella cheese. So, let's see how much we can fit in this. Put the mozzarella on first. You probably don't have to trim it like I am, but I'm kind of a perfectionist, so it's how I do it. And we're gonna get a little wild here. We're gonna put some pepperoni on the grilled cheese. Boom, boom, boom. Bread. Close her up. And we'll throw it on the fire and see how it turns out. Alright guys, so we're throwing it on the fire. This is just kind of trial by fire. It's a grilled cheese, it's not a pizza. It's not going to take nearly as long. So I'm trying to keep it a little bit further from the actual flames of the fire and keep it closer to like the coals of the fire. There's so much cheese.
Hey y'all. Okay, so now that everybody is full, we are going to make desserts. So we are making campfire s'mores, but not the kind of s'mores that you're used to making. Instead, we are going to use waffle cones. So really you can make it with anything you want. We went a little overboard because we love sweets. But we have marshmallows. Usually you want to get the mini marshmallows. We did it, so I'm just going to break them apart. It works better like that. We have chocolate, dark chocolate, or white chocolate, dark chocolate, M&M's, Reese's Pieces, peanut butter, strawberries. You can use bananas, you can use caramel, whatever you want. So all you're going to do is take your waffle cone, your marshmallows, that, like I said, because they're bigger, I'm just going to break them up. Put them inside with whatever you want. I don't like peanut butter, so I'm not putting that stuff in, but I'm sure everybody else will. Make sure you get a good amount of marshmallows in there, because that's kind of the point of s'mores, so just kind of layer it. And then all you're going to do is put it in aluminum foil. Be careful because they're waffle cones, so you don't want to do it too tight and break them. But you do want to cover it all. Like that. You're going to put it in the coal on the fire for 3 minutes or so, and then we'll see what comes out. Okay, so you just want to find a spot that's warm on the fire. And now we wait.
Oh, it works. I got a junior mint right off the top.
Ooh.
That looks good. Check it.
Gotta tell us how it tastes.
Sugar free too, I think.
That's pretty awesome.
They look good.
Okay.
Mmm.
What do you think? Is it good?
He said, "Where's my next one?" Alright guys, so we were kind of all over the place in the video this week, and a lot of that's just because we wanted to have fun with it, we wanted to get my parents involved, and we just wanted to have a little bit less stressful of video this week. But we hope y'all enjoyed it. We had a lot of fun making it, and we hope y'all saw some things that y'all might want to try out. Amazon is currently out of the single of the little cooker, cast iron cookers that you saw us using. But we did put a link in the description below for the double, which is the exact same thing, only you can cook two at the same time. So,
which really, I think that's even better, because if you noticed, or I don't know if we even had it in the video, we were always using 2 or 4.
Yeah.
To use one, they're so small. So to get the double cooker, it was $14.99. So that's an awesome deal right there. So I would suggest getting the double one anyway.
Yeah, because the single cooker is about enough for him. So that makes it a little bit better for adults, I guess you could say.
And the link that we put up in the description and also on the screen when we were talking about it, we are Amazon affiliates, so it does help us if you buy through that link. So if you do want it, we appreciate the support from it.
Definitely. What else?
We didn't do everything you could do in those cookers. There's endless things. Just, I think eventually we're going to do some more.
Yeah.
But just probably Pinterest. Look on Pinterest. Look on Google. Things you can do with the camp cooker. I mean, you could stay busy with that thing.
I'm making pies in it. So that might make it into a video here soon. But again, guys, thank you guys for checking us out. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm going to point up here this time because I think that's where it's at. Boom! I got it right this time. So again, guys, thank you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like and comment down below, and make sure you share us with your friends so that we can get out there and show our greatness to the world.
And we are going to try to get better about posting on Sundays like we were previously doing. It's just been insane, but we were always posting on, or making our videos on Sundays and also posting on Sunday. But now we finally have room on my phone to where we are making them ahead of time. So we're going to get back to doing them weekly so you know when to expect things.
So yeah, thanks guys, and we'll see y'all next time.
Bye.